Today we'll be discussing the cotton gin and the railroads. The cotton gin was invented in 1793 by Eli Whitney. Making the cotton gin made cotton easier for de-seeding, and it made it more profitable. Cotton increased tremendously in the 1800s. The whites needed more land for cotton, so this led to the removal of the Creek Indians. The South became more dependent on slave labor. This would lead to one of the causes of the American Civil War. In 1873, the railroads were invented. The first railroad tracks were laid in mid-1830s. Routes led from Athens, Augusta, Macon, and Savannah. Railroads continued to expand until the 1920s. The state's rail system is a strong 5,000-mile network. Company headquarters moved from Athens to Augusta in 1840. The Georgia Railroad was completed to Marthasville, later Atlanta in 1845.